the last vacation and spent with my family in the city and Cartagena. Unlike them and love which they gave us a great reception with the hotel in place. After the we sat in the room and went to the different historical sites of the city. We start with the cars and San Felipe. The wind arrived, hit the hill and the stand. We passed over the monument and the shell books and finally we arrived at the historic center of the city. After this great tweet, we rest in the room. The next day, we arrived at the beach. We spied the way and very beautiful and the wheat and very planks climbing.